The F3D extension identifies an Autodesk Fusion 360 archive file containing complete 3D design, project data for offline storage and sharing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, import, or troubleshoot these Cloud CAD design files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade F3D file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. F3D files are archive files from Autodesk Fusion 360, a cloud-based CAD CAM CAE platform. They contain complete design data, including parametric solid models, assemblies, sketches, manufacturing toolpaths, and simulation results, packaged for offline storage and file exchange. Fusion 360 F3D files use a zip-based archive containing JSON metadata, BREP geometry, kernel data, mesh representations, sketch definitions, timeline feature history, and manufacturing setup configurations. They capture the complete design state, including all parametric relationships. The core association for the F3D file points directly to Autodesk Fusion 360, developed by Autodesk, Inc. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows isn't designed to render complex 3D structures, so proper viewing needs specialized CAD tools. To open this specific F3D file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Autodesk Fusion 360 is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the F3D file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The F3D file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, opening the file. Install Autodesk Fusion 360 free for personal use from Autodesk.com. Open the F3D file via File, then open or drag it into the Fusion 360 window. The application uploads the archive to your Fusion 360 cloud project and opens the design with full editing capability. Next, sharing designs. F3D files enable offline sharing of Fusion 360 designs. Export using File, then Export, and select F3D format. Recipients open the F3D file in their own Fusion 360 installation. All design history, parametric features, and manufacturing setups are preserved in the archive. Finally, exporting to other formats. In Fusion 360, use File, then Export to save as STEP, IGES, STL, OBJ, or DXF for cross-platform CAD compatibility. STEP preserves solid geometry for engineering workflows, while STL provides mesh output for 3D printing. Use the manufacturing workspace to export toolpaths as G-code. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.